Hello, what is up, guys? Right now I am bored, and so we're just gonna go kill some sheep, like I said in my other video, that I would do, that I don't entirely know if it loaded to YouTube. So, yeah. Right now, just if you're going, why is it doing that? I am making a trail, so like come seed so I can go back. Oh sweet, sugar cane, let's go get it. And nothing else. I wish I had the moon. I want to get that mod. The moon mod where you're gonna make your own rocket ship. Not that tiny rocket ship on there. You're actually gonna make your own rocket ship. Let's get food. Yeah, I have chicken and an apple and stuff, but for later, I need to get food. But, yeah. Damn, that was big. That was bigger than normal. Normal sugar cane. I think it's only able to go up to 3, right? And that's 4. The other one was 5. And I'm wondering how I did that. Anyways, let's go check out this little peak thing over here. Did you guys just see a flash over there? I don't know, it's just me. I'm insane. Don't listen to me. I am completely, positively insane. Nothing's over there. Why is it so hard to find this sheep? Just sheep. They're just... Ooh, pigs. Okay, no sheep. Saw the white and thought it was sheep, but no sheep. I have pigs and ducks, and that's it. Pigs and ducks, pretty much. In my world, I have pigs and ducks. What good will pigs and ducks do me? A lot of good, but I'm gonna kill some of those later. Now, the reason that I'm trying to find sheep is so I can make a bed, and so you guys can have entertainment about killing creepers, and then we're gonna get to eat. I'm gonna get lava. Well, that was helpful. So, I'm doing this right now because I want you guys to have entertainment, and yeah. I think I'm past video time, so I'm going to stop this video, find sheep, and then once I find sheep, I'll kill them and I'll go back. And well, I guess goodbye.